News 8's Marcus Moore is in the path of the storm. He joins us now live from Corpus Christi. It's looking rough out there, Marcus.
Yeah, Cynthia, it is pretty rough out here just along the shore here at Corpus Christi, where this evening we have seen the wind and the rain pick up. And right now we're going through a point where it really is very strong, sustained winds. And as you can see, the gusts, you see that rain going sideways. And just behind me here, the winds that are hitting this wall. I don't know if the pictures can really capture it, but they are hitting this wall with a lot of force, and there are times when that water hits, it sends the water into the air over my head, actually. So as we have been here this afternoon, we have been in points where it hasn't really been too windy. I mean, there's always a breeze here today, but there are moments where it really does start to pick up. And as that happens, we see the trees here. These trees have been waving in the wind the entire afternoon, and we've seen some of the limbs fly off. It's probably one of the most vivid examples of just how strong the wind is here. Now, as I describe the winds to you, officials here are concerned about the hurricane force winds that we'll see and the damage that that might cause. But what they are really concerned about is the resulting storm surge, which is here in Corpus is expected to be anywhere between 5 and 7 feet. That could do some damage, and also the flooding. You heard Pete talking about how long this storm is expected to hang along the Texas Gulf Coast, perhaps several days. And we're talking about rain totals here in Corpus Christi, as you heard Pete say, upwards of 18 inches. So they are truly concerned about the flooding. And Cynthia, they have been urging residents to evacuate ahead of this storm, and as you can tell now, it is now not the time to evacuate, but instead to hunker down. The conditions right now are so bad that officials will not be answering calls for service, and that if anyone needs help, they're essentially on their own. That's the very latest here from Corpus Christi tonight. Cynthia, I'll send it back to you.
Marcus.